Hi everyone, this is Uday here. I welcome you all to this Govt Schemes series, and as part of the course, today we are going to see Project Sure. So what is Project Sure? So Project Sure, we need to understand it by dividing this word. Okay, so SU and RE. So SU means sustainable and RE means resolution. Okay, so sustainable resolution, so that is the important thing that you need to know. Okay, then to which industry it is related? So that is to the Indian apparel industry. So what is that apparel? It is the clothing industry. So Indian apparel industry, or you can call it as clothing industry, or you can also call it as fashion industry. So Project Sure is related to Indian apparel industry, which actually means sustainable resolution. So what is this sustainable resolution? So we should be knowing that we have the SDG goals, right, of 2015, and it has been aimed to achieve by 2030. So this SDG, what does it mean? It is the Sustainable Development Goal. So what do you mean by sustainable development? So sustainable development means a development which needs to be achieved, which is necessary to be achieved, but it should not affect the future generations. Okay, so that is what is called sustainable development goals. Okay, so in tune with sustainable development goals, to achieve sustainable development, the Project Sure is aiming at the apparel industry to make their development, to make their growth in a sustainable way by adopting Project Sure, that is sustainable resolution. So this is the Sure here means sustainable resolution. So they are taking up the sustainable resolution as a key motivator for developing themselves. Okay, so now how they are going to achieve this sustainable development? Through sustainable resolution. So they are going to do it by reducing their carbon emission. Okay, so that's an important point, because sustainable development also includes the reduction of the carbon emission across globe, and through adopting the sustainable resolution, the apparel industry also trying to reduce the carbon emission, which is done by their part. Okay, and they are also trying to increase resource efficiency. Okay, resource efficiency. So as a result, they will not be wasting the resources. Okay, so that is an important point, and they are going to tackle the waste in a better way, and water management is going to be much efficient. So water management, in the sense, the pollution of water will also be controlled. Okay, and these things they are actually doing in order to create a positive social impact. So these are the important aims which the sustainable resolution adopted by the apparel industry is going to achieve. Okay, so these are the important positive points as part of this scheme. So I missed a very important key point here. So what is the point that I missed? You should be knowing, because every scheme that we learn, we should be knowing who launched it. So that is the important point. So who launched it? So it has been launched by the Textile Ministry. It's very easy, right? The apparel industry, clothing industry actually comes under the Textile Ministry, and as a result it has been launched by the Textile Ministry. But there are other associations, that is organizations, also related to this particular launching of Project Sure. So who are they? One, along with textile industry, it is the Clothing and Manufacturing Association of India. Okay, Clothing and Manufacturing Association of India, and UN. So United Nations also having a hand in it. So in UN, which is having a branch in India, so they are also involved in it. And there is another private organization, that is IMG Reliance. So IMG is basically an what is that? it is a multinational company which is having a collaboration with the Reliance Industries. Okay, so we know Reliance Industries, which is existing in our country, and IMG along with Reliance is having a hand in it. So three organizations, the Ministry of Textile is the important key organization here. So you can better call it as a ministry, not organization. Okay, so again, one another important association is Clothing Manufacturers Association of India and United Nations along with IMG Reliance. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope the lesson was useful. Wait for more lessons to be added.